What is up everybody, I'm Fabian and in this video I will share. It's funny how similar these two words are.
Oh, yes, they make terrific pair.
Anyway, in this video I will share with you the most essential things that you need to know as a graphic designer to not fall in the trap of giving away free work, to not work for free. And we're starting right now. In this video I'll tell you some essential things that you need to know so you won't fall in the trap of giving away free work, aka working for free. So first of all, you need to keep in mind that all the things that I'm about to say in this video are based on my current experience as a graphic designer, which is like 2.5 years doing design, so I'm learning along with you. So yeah, now I want to thank you for the feedback that you gave on my last video. It was amazing. Thank you a lot. As I'm a new guy doing like this YouTube thing. Thank you again. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing is, do not work for free. Do not do work free. I repeat, don't work for free, because in the end you won't be appreciated. Nobody cares if you do free work. Yeah, so you might lose some friends, but you know, that's how life is. I recommend surround yourself with people that you can learn things from, that bring you happiness and that value your work and the things that you do. People from which you can learn things. I said do not work for free. Even if you lose friends will ask you to do a logo and or I don't know, to do a poster design, to do a flyer and to do like whatever. They will put it in a way that you'll be doing a favor to me. It's not a favor. It's like you do work. I mean, you spend time of your life learning how to do poster design in like 1 hour or a logo design in 1 day and do it for free. No, you don't do work for free. Maybe you will do, let's say, a flyer for a friend, like a free flyer, because you like the idea that he or she has, like, I don't know, let's say that he or she wants to organize a like exhibition and you like the idea of minimalism or abstract art or I don't know, and you, okay, I can do work for free, I can do you a free poster, but you will, I don't know, give me a free invitation or a shout out on your Facebook. This guy did my flyer and he does really cool work, you go check him out. So you'll win like a bit of appreciation and maybe some people will check you out and maybe they like your work and you will start collaborating with them. So it's a win. The biggest problem that you will stumble upon is to work for free, because I did that when I started and it was like a really bad thing for me and for my health, because nobody appreciated me. I was like a robot. Okay, I will do that and do that and do that for free and do that, and in the end nobody gives a damn about your work. You will get a thank you if you get it. So no, it's a no. I also did some recent work for a friend which was a free commission, and it was like, yeah, I'm organizing a party, can you do a flyer for me? And I was, yeah, sure, no problem, I like electronic music and I will do a flyer. So I jumped into Photoshop, Illustrator and finished the flyer, gave him the flyer and he was like, thanks. And that was it. What the fuck? Yeah, I got nothing in return. The only exception when you do free work for your friend, if your friend has a business that can help you with some services in exchange, like it will be a win-win thing. I will do some design things for you if you can build me a website. Let's say that he or she knows how to build websites, that they know web design, and yeah, I can give you some graphic design work if you can give me in exchange some web design work. That will be a win-win situation. So yeah, you can do work for free then. Now, another important thing that you need to understand is that you are valuable. Nobody will change that. Get that stuck in your head that you are valuable. Value yourself more. You need to understand that all the time that you've spent learning graphic design, it's like time of your life, and you need to value that, because life is short. You do not have like all the time in the world to do this and that, so you need to give more value to time. You need to give more value to yourself, because that's important. You need to put yourself always on the first plan, on the first step, and then the others. Do not underestimate yourself and let people take advantage of you. Do not waste time of your life giving away free work. Stand your ground. Do not sell yourself short. Explain that you're a designer and you need to pay bills too. Nobody gets free services from a plumber. Nobody asks a plumber for a favor, no? It is the same thing as a designer. You do not get free services or free favors. Get this thing in your head. We are designers, we are talented, we are amazing, so we won't work for free for anybody. Get that stuck in your head. Everybody wants things for free. Yeah, that's how life is. You need to get used to it, because at the end of the day we are designers. Even if we have like 1 to 5 years experience, we are under-evaluated, because I don't know, that's how society works. Also, you're a graphic designer, so you do paint and stuff like that. Okay, and they don't care. You're under-evaluated. Okay, I can do that too. I can do that logo. Since working in this field for like 2.5 years now, I got to a conclusion. Most of the people are going to use you. They do not care about you. They care about their dreams. That's it. You need to realize how valuable you are. Start having some more respect for yourself. You need to stop negotiating with people to do free work. In the end, I will say one more thing, but pay attention. Once you start understanding the things that I've said in this video and start working and building yourself, there is only one way for you to go up, skyrocketing. Getting to people that respect and value you for your work, people that will refer you out for your good work and expertise as a graphic designer. That's the most important thing. You need to get it in your mind, besides the things that I've said earlier. So yeah, so in the end, I would like to ask you to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Is it good? Is it bad? What's your general idea about the topic that I've just covered? It will help me a lot. Also, consider liking up this video, and also hit the subscribe button and check the notification bell, because every time I'm gonna post, will be the first that will know about all the videos that are upcoming. Trust me, they will be really awesome. So thank you once again, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.